In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay card disappeared. First, check that you are signed in to the correct Apple ID and that iCloud is enabled for wallet by going to your device settings since Apple Pay cards are linked to your Apple ID. Next, restart your iPhone or Apple Watch and make sure your device is updated to the latest iOS or watchOS version because outdated software can cause cards to disappear. After that, open the wallet app and see if the card reappeared. And if not, remove and re-add the card by entering the card details again and completing the bank verification process. You should also check your bank or card issuer's app or messages to see if there are any security holds, card replacements, or temporary blocks that might have removed the card from Apple Pay. If the card is still missing after doing all these steps, contact your card issuer to confirm that the card is active and supported for Apple Pay as they can help restore it. Following these steps usually brings the disappeared card back and ensure your Apple Pay is working properly again. So that's it.